The black spot is yourself. You are traveling from Todi Chowki, one place in Hyderabad, to high-tech city. You are going like that. You do not know. Somebody may waylay you, they may kill you, they may do anything. All kinds of nonsense going on, in various cities of India. You may be affected by that. But when you make use of our concept of crime prediction, the God band, it directs you in different lanes, called safe zone. You reach the particular destination safely. This is a fundamental thing. This is all normally you should tell this. I expect you think. When I talk, you start thinking in your own mind. Think. It's a fundamental thing. For example, let us say you are here, you're going forward. So you want to know, surrounding you, not backward, forward. You have a total of 5 zones. They are all unknown to you. That is how you travel. Even United States, you travel. There are many very bad situations. A lot of bad people, they come and attack you. Okay, you do not know whether it is a crime zone or a green zone or a safe zone. You do not know. Okay, you have to examine that. That is what I think we are supposed to do. Am I right or wrong? This is how we should start thinking. Now, green zone. By prediction, you say, oh, everything is okay. Green zone. The next zone you can go. Crime-free zone. Otherwise, red zone. It means crime zone. Don't go. Stay wherever you are. Stay put. Don't go further. You may get yourself involved in some criminal activities there. Some criminals will come and attack you. Stop. This is red zone. You predict. Then you talk about mixed zone. Yellow is unknown. Red is red zone. Red is red zone, crime zone. Green is crime-free zone. What about this brown semi-crime zone? Something like that. You see, start moving. Now, select a crime zone surveillance system. What is it you are going to do? Choose a map. First thing what you are supposed to do, I am giving this problem to you. You have to develop your own algorithm. First of all, you should create a model first. Okay? Telangana State road map I have given here. You need a map. You should be good in map study. Then what you do? World Crime Database, hypothetical model it is, you have to have. Okay? Then comes the model, a hypothetical model. We are going to talk about World Crime Data Stack and data tunneling. Is a hypothetical model. Crime data array is a day or month or year-wise collection of criminal events. It's an array. Okay, a 2-dimensional array, because geospatial coordinates are considered. That is why it is called 2D array. Such chronologically ordered 2D arrays constitute what is known as 3D data stack. Okay. What do you do? Data stack may be local or global. Select a spatial window. This is how time slices. The first, what I call 2D array is an array of what I call crimes that have occurred at that particular time, maybe day or a month or a year or an hour or a minute, whatever. Any what I call temporal scale you take, you have to keep in mind. You have to maintain that. Okay. Then previous time also, previous time slices. Today you see the front one. Then yesterday what happened, you do. Day before yesterday what happened, you do. Like that you keep on going back. Or this week you take. Previous week, what is the crime position? The previous to previous week, what will be the crime position? 2D array, please. Or month. This month, what are the, what they call crimes that have occurred? Okay. Then previous month, the previous month like that you have. Year, this year, what is the crime position? Previous year, previous to previous, like that. So you create a 3D data stack, red one, that is a 3D data stack. User choice, you can create. The software which I have in my mind, you should have this facility, user friendly. Data stack, maybe local or global, special. Take a vertical crime profile we call. Vertical crime profile, VCP. Day-wise, month-wise, year-wise, minute-wise, hour-wise, whatever it takes. Okay, it's called vertical crime profile. Now, select a spatial window. A desired 3D crime data to be tunneled along with the spatial window. You select it. Okay. Now, this is a tunneling machine. Search engine. What happens actually? You take the 3D data according to your instruction, according to the requirement. Takes it out. This is called tunnel the data. Okay. You have to say up to what time, previous time, you need the tunnel the data, 3D data. Okay. Is a part of vertical crime profile, 3D data stack. Give it to the machine. Then collateral information that also you require. 1, 2, 3, etc. up to n. Give it to them. Then make this cognitive engine to look into it. Say I have given crime data to you. Collateral information today. That collateral information is a variable. It keeps on moving, changing. Even tunnel data also will keep on changing. These are all variables. All these variables with what you call some weights. You give it to the neural network. There is an activation function and a threshold logic based on various mathematics which I am going to talk just now. Okay. Based on that you take decisions. You give it to this. What are things, the output you are going to get? Crime prediction. You have predicted what is going to happen next week or next month or next year. You will be able to predict precisely now. Then decision making. You have to make decisions accordingly. Action support. What are the actions you are supposed to support or various actions? This is the hypothetical modeling. Okay? This is called modeling. If you do this, if you are capable of doing that, that's it. You are at it. So this fundamentally, the artificial intelligence is based on model. Now, how I model, you see that. This is how you should model. Given any problem, you should be able to model it. Okay? Next. The technology. Then, let us say, slowly we'll get into the details. Definition of crime. What is the meaning of crime? It is an activity. Okay? Maybe mental, intellectual, psychological, physical harm to self. Even committing suicide is a crime. Or other individuals, or a group of individuals, or societies of crime. Such an activity, by defying the conscientious and geopolitical rules, India has got its own rules, America has got its own rules, Canada has got, I know Canadian rules, because many people, they talk to me, even law people, legal people, as well as, security people, they talk to me. Their laws are, good, very good laws. But, many a time the laws fail because they were not able to implement the law properly. So if you defy that, it is punishable. If the gravity of the activity exceeds a threshold set by laws, you are going by car, suddenly without knowledge you have hit somebody, that somebody has died on the spot. You will be arrested, yes, of course. You will be charged with a careless driving. It's not killing. It's not a murder. It's a careless driving. For that, some punishment they will give. You have to do that. Okay? The threshold you have to see that. What is the threshold? That must be set by laws. Artificial intelligence based judiciary system, it will set the threshold automatically. This is what I'm suggesting to all the people who are attending, the lawyers, I'm suggesting this. The causes of crime are complex. Most people today agree that poverty, naturally, parental neglect, no, parents don't care, low self-esteem, they don't have confidence at all, alcohol and drug abuse, very, very, very important. This is I'm addressing this activity to various people, law-abiding people in Tamil Nadu. Nadu is famous for drug abuse, alcohol abuse. A very unfortunate thing, but we cannot help it. What can we do? Are all connected in explaining why people commit crime. Some people are simply at greater risk of becoming offenders because of the circumstances into which they are born. Wherever you are born, you are affected by the environment. Definitely you are. Tell me who your friend is, I'll tell who you are. John F. Kennedy said, no? Like that, wherever you are born, whichever family you are born, whichever the society in which you are born, you will be certain. Sometimes the genetic makeup of people contribute to intolerance and violent thought processes, which lead to criminal activity. Even your own genetic makeup. So a lot of the genetic genes are required. I mean, those genes are responsible for violent thinking. Monoamine oxidase. I think one lady is here. She is a biomedical engineer, biological engineer. MTech, she is in the class now. She can understand monoamine oxidase. Next time when you come, I request you to get the structure, molecular structure, or details about monoamine oxidase. That, what they call, induces, criminal thinking, violent thinking in people. Then intolerance, that is the root cause of crime. So, what we thought, we have 8, we have been talking on that. I mean, people have been talking, not me. At present, what I thought was, why not I introduce this quantificational measure, tolerance deficiency syndrome, TDS, of an individual, maybe due to his genetic makeup, called latent tolerance deficiency syndrome, LTDS. Some human beings, anything you say, immediately they will become angry, they will hit you, they will hurt you. Okay. So it's genetic makeup. Or it may be an acquired one called acquired tolerance deficiency syndrome, ATD. Acquired tolerance deficiency syndrome. The technology involved in that. The crime is a subjective spatio-temporal activity. It happens at a particular place in a particular time. Basically, crime is denoted by an ordered couple, predator and prey. Predator means the one who commits, is a criminal. Prey, the person who is offended, the victim, the criminal and victim. Predator and prey. Predator may be an individual or a group. You know very well what is happening in the world. Prey may also be an individual or a group. Crime report is usually presented in a tabular form. The entities of the table would be categorized under place, province, state, district, village, type of crime, and number of crimes committed over a finite period of time, week, month, year, etc. So the crime statistics is computed using common tools of analysis. Based on the statistics, probability of occurrence of a particular crime over a period of time is evaluated. And this is called prediction of crime. Just basic idea. Based on statistics, fundamental definition. The prediction process is governed by canonical rules of probability and detection estimation theory. Without that, you cannot. This is what I am going to teach tomorrow. National Crime Records Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs. This I got an example. Then this is the FBI crime database. When I had this project, many people in US, young kids, we have employed them. They have been round the clock. They have been monitoring and creating a database for us. Okay? You can see Round Rock, Bayonne, Topeka, Denton, Appleton, Phoenix, San Diego, Dallas, Union City, Wilmington, etc., etc., Portsmouth, etc. They've been collecting data. Consider, 10 types of crimes. Now I'm going to get into the theory for implementation. The fundamental theory I'm going to start later, not now. After completing this, what I call PowerPoint, then I will start with the fundamentals. Now, basic theory. Let us consider 10 crimes: murder, terrorist attack, racist attack, incidental robbery, planned robbery, alcoholics attack, rape, political unrest, civil unrest, and teasing. Let us, just for example, each crime is viewed as a seven-tuple. What is a seven-tuple? By a finite alphanumeric code. Crime ID. You have to give an ID to the crime. This is how you should think. When I give this problem, you create a complete product, crime prediction support system. This is how you should think. Crime ID. Don't say that immediately I'll go to ChatGPT and get it done. Meaningless. Okay? Crime ID, crime type, GPS coordinates, where the crime has occurred, time, data, month, year. Predator ID. You know that predator, a criminal, you should give an ID to it. Prey ID. The victim, you have to give an ID to that. Then status. What is the status today? Each crime type, this is called crime type. Crime ID is one type. Crime type, GPS coordinates, etc., etc. We are given, no? Each crime type is treated as a state with a variable called site. State of that particular crime type. The linear array of 10 state variables corresponding to the 10 crime types is called crime vector. This is our invention. See here. Murder. Already I told you 10 this thing you have given. Murder, terrorist attack, racist attack, isn't it? Incidental robbery, planned robbery, alcoholic, rape, political. These are all, you make it as a vector. That is a sequence of, and put a variable to that. Because it keeps changing. Murder, how many murders have occurred? How many terrorist attacks have occurred, like that? You put a variable there. Psi 1, Psi 2, Psi 3, etc. up to Psi 10. Okay. 10 such variables. They are called state variables. These state variables take on numbers, depending on the number of crimes that have occurred. Okay. Now, the concept of crime vector and crime vector space, very important. You might have come across in mathematics, vector space, Banach space, inner product space, okay, then Hilbert space. Then I introduced the Robinson space on, the name of my friend Robinson. I introduced that space. So like that, concept of crime vector and crime vector space says crime analysis using crime vectors with binary valued parametric variables. You have 10 variables. How do you start working? Okay, sir, you told 10 variables, Psi 1, Psi 2, Psi 10. So what is the use of having these variables? What is the value? You can say murder, Psi 1. That is very good. Murder has occurred or not? Had it occurred? You say 1. No, make it 0. That's all very simple. Psi 2, some terrorist attack or something. Had occurred or not? Occurred 1. Otherwise 0. Like that. So we have up to 10, either a 0 or a 1 to these variables.